Close to $1.5 billion pesos in bootleg, high-end, or luxury vehicles was seized in the latest raid by the BOC CIIS in a Makati City warehouse. High-end wheels believed to be owned by POGO officials on the run or in hiding and eager to dispose of such assets for cash that our Bien Manalo takes on in this report.
Bureau of Customs, Customs Intelligence and Investigation Service at the Manila International Container Port personnel raided a warehouse in Makati City. Here they found various types of allegedly smuggled high-end luxury cars, including an expensive motorcycle worth over 360 million pesos.
Nakatanggap po tayo ng information na meron nga po mga suspected smuggled na hindi nagbayad po ng duties and taxes. At tinatago o nakadisplay nga ho dito sa Makati. Nag-conduct po tayo ng surveillance and nagpag-validate nga ho natin may mga supercars nga tayo nakita.
Authorities sent a letter of authority or LOA against the warehouse owner to be able to determine whether the vehicles are legitimate and ensure that they are paying proper taxes. The owner of the warehouse was given 15 days to submit proof of payment of duties and taxes of the vehicles. But if they fail to comply, they may face a case of violation of Republic Act 10863 or the Customs Modernization and Tariff Act. BOC will also recommend the issuance of a warrant of seizure and detention or WSD, after which the vehicles will be towed and be taken to the BOC.
Pag nalaman po namin mayroong mga smuggled goods doon, agad-agaran po namin ina-actionan to, ibabalidate. And pag inoperate na ho namin ang lugar, makita natin, lahat po hahakutin namin or isisis po ng Bureau of Customs.
It can be recalled that the BOC also entered warehouses in Pasay and Parañaque City just recently, where up to 1.4 billion pesos worth of various smuggled luxury vehicles were confiscated. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.